Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to use unit converter on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone calculator. So I'm going to simply click on here to access my calculator. Then it's take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this symbol right here, the ruler symbol right here. Click on that. That's going to take you right here. Now, by default, we have length right here. We have area. We have volume. Then you can swipe this way, and you see time. You see temperature. Then you can swipe this way and see weight right here. So it's going to take us right here. Let's say, for instance, we have feet and we want to convert it into inch. So how do we do that? So by default, we have feet right here. So feet. So let's say we have 120 feet and we want to convert it into inches. So what we need to do is to simply click on centimeter right here. Then we select inch. Now, if we have 120 feet, it simply means that we are getting this as inch. Okay. Now, let's say, for instance, we have about just 10 feet and we are getting 120 inch. It's as simple as that. Let's say, for instance, we want to convert from, we want to check on weight of a thing. So we can simply click on weight right here. So now we have pound IB right here. So if we want to check on a weight of a particular item or kilogram, so let's say we want to check on the kilogram of an item, then we have about 10 kilogram. So we have about 10 kilogram. Then how many centimeter, how many gram we can have in a 10 kg? So we can simply click on gram right here. Now, for every 10 kg, we have 10,000 gram. It's as simple as that. So you can check on temperature, time, volume, area, length, etc. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply use unit converter on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.